student. I'm your geography teacher, Salim Ali from Iqra IPS Command and Staff College, Quetta. So today we are going to learn about the interesting geographical fact about Norway, Norway's climate, Norway's population structure, and its density. So first, let's see the objective. So our objectives are that student will be able at the end of lesson to find out the interesting geographical facts about Norway and learn about its population structure and density. So first, see the Norway's climate. So this is the map of Norway. As you see, as you learn, the shape of the map of this is like a tadpole. Okay, Norway owes its warm climate to the Norwegian current, the northern extension of the Gulf Stream, which carries 4 to 5 million tons of tropical water per second into surrounding sea. This current usually keeps the fjords from freezing. And even in the Atlantic Finnmarks region, even more important are the southerly air currently brought in above warm water, especially during the winter. So let's see in cardinal point. So first see the northern condition. Snow that falls in the northern region or coastline melts often immediately. The warm North Atlantic current of the Gulf Stream keeps nearly at the seaport ice-free even in the northern region. Then in the western Norways have a marine climate with a comparatively cool summer, mild winter, and nearly 90 inches 2,250 millimeter of main annual precipitation. And in eastern part, shattered by the mountains, because the eastern part is connected with the land, and climate with a warm summers, cold winter, and less than 30 inches 760 millimeter of main annual precipitation. In the southern region, warm temperate humid climate with the warmest month lower than 22 degrees Celsius over the average and 4 or more months above 10 degree average over the average. So in the first term, we discussed about the different zones of the earth. So please conclude that Norway comes in which zone? Warm temperate or in cold temperate area? So next is let's see the three main cities of the Norway situated at different location and its climate. So first is Bergen. Bergen is located in a coastal areas, thus it experiences the temperate oceanic climate. Then Oslo. Oslo is the capital city of Norway, is located inland of experiences continental climate. The hottest month is July and coldest month is January. And this is the location of the Oslo. And the next is Tromsø, is located above the Arctic Circle toward the North Pole and experiences the phenomenon of the longer nights in the winter and longer days in summer. That is why it is called the land of midnight sun and polar night. So next is population structure and density of the Norway. So according to the United Nations, the current population of the Norway is 5,421,307 as of Thursday, July 2, 2020, based on Worldmeter elaborate of the latest information about the population. In Norway's 2020 population is estimated 5,421,241 people at mid-year according to the United Nations data. And Norway's population is equivalent to 0.07% of the total world population, and Norway ranks number is 119 in the list of the countries and dependencies by the population. And this is the demographic graph of Norway that shows the distribution of the population according to the age of both male and female age group as follows: 0 to 14 years of children and 15 to 24 early working days, and so on. And the very old age number is very less, and the middle age, the number of the poor or the population of the people are more. So now let's see the compare the population density of Norway with Pakistan. So Pakistan, this is the population density of Pakistan, that per square kilometer 241 person per square kilometer people live. And according to this map of Pakistan, we are just talking about our populated provinces like Punjab, and not about the Balochistan. So see Quetta, there is less population. So now see the Norway's population. So now the inland area of Norway has more population. So we talk about this region. So per square kilometer, the number of people live there, that is 16.6% per square kilometer. So now compare this 16.6% and with a Pakistan 246%. I think we have need to think about this. But let's see, to compare it with Macau, the most populated area of China, we see that per square kilometer the number of people live, that is 21,348 person per square kilometer. Oh my God. So this is very awful situation, that the number of people live there according to this and increased per square kilometer live. I hope students